Cocktail time. That got your attention, didn't it, to watch this video? Cool. I'm going to show you a cocktail. I'm going to make one right now called the C3 cocktail. And what does it stand for? Cotton candy cocktail. And I promise it's like nothing you've ever seen because I invented it. Watch this. So we're going to start out with some healthy ingredients for this cocktail. It's one of our new product offerings. It has protein and grass-fed collagen, and the flavor of it is birthday cake, vanilla birthday cake. Even when you smell it, it's like, oh my gosh, the whole family loves it. Look at this one. Moms, dads, you know, about getting veggies and fruits into your kids' diet. Sometimes it can be a challenge with our busy lives. This stuff right here, simple, put that in there. I'm mixing them all together. 3C, baby. Cotton candy cocktail. Healthy, good for your immune system, just good stuff. And by the way, the fruits and vegetables and digestive enzymes and prebiotics, it's just an all-around very, very healthy drink. And what's cool is our kids love it. So in the mornings at breakfast, before they head off to school, we know they're getting all their fruits and veggies. And then the last one, and this is your nootropics, the stuff that turns this thing on, turns the brain on, which at 58, this old boy needs it. Especially after the last year and a half we've all been through. Oh my gosh. We've been to hell and back in this darn place. I mean, it's been nuts. And so if your head is kind of a little bit foggy and just not feeling like yourself, get you one of these cocktails in you. The cotton candy cocktail, man. I'm going to shake this baby up and have a sip. Good stuff. Just shake it up in water. You don't have to do anything fancy. You can't go wrong drinking them individually too, but I like to just get it done, man. So I get up in the morning and do one of these, and then I do another one in the afternoon. There's what it looks like in my beautiful cocktail glass. And now I'm gonna have a sip. Cotton candy cocktail. You gotta try one.